there everyone, it's Misty here from TheJollyFatElf. Thank you so much for joining me. So in today's video, I've got something a little different. So you guys know I've been making cards now for a little over a decade. And I've been doing cards on this YouTube channel for forever. And I felt like I wanted to branch out into other crafts. Now, if you're on Instagram and you get caught up in like resin or clay, you see a lot of that, and I've seen a lot of people making really cute things out of clay, and I thought that would be really fun to make embellishments for cards out of clay. So in this video, I'm going to share with you my haul. Found a few things that I could use on Amazon, and then in the next couple of videos, we'll make some things and we'll make a card out of it. So yeah, I'm looking over there because that's where stuff is. So I bought some clay, I bought a couple of really cute molds. One of them is like, I bought the mold set for this one particular mold, and I'll share that with you. Bought some tools, etc. So I'm really excited to play with something different and fun. Not that card making isn't fun and stamping isn't fun, but I'm excited to make some embellishment. That's really big. Like Prima has started coming out with a lot of molds and stuff like that, and I'm like, this is really cool. It's not my usual style. It's not my usual style, but sometimes we have to, you know, take ourselves out of our comfort zone in order to have growth. And I felt like I wanted to do something other than cards for the first couple of months of the year, because I get so burnt out after doing the holiday card series. So yeah. Anything else I need to tell you? I will link everything in the description box down below. These are not affiliate links. I have become an affiliate with Creative Fabrica, but I'm not going to share any of those links until I have an opportunity to play around. And we're going to make something using some stuff from there. So that will be a separate video, and I will tell you if something is an affiliate link or not. So yeah, all right, let's head over to the craft table and I will share with you all the fun supplies I bought and this one particular mold that I am just so excited to use. And so, as I mentioned in the intro, I decided I wanted to try some clay. So I picked up this pack. It comes with 50 colors. I don't think you need 50 colors because some of these colors are not pretty, but this is the kit. I think these are perfect size, and again, there's some colors that aren't the prettiest, so some of you may like those colors. They're not for me. But I'm really excited to try a few things. It comes with things that you can make, like sculptures and stuff. Got some fun cutters, pieces and parts. Like I said, I think you're supposed to make... Like, it shows you how to make a few things. I mean, this is definitely generated for kids and not 40-year-olds. But I thought it would be fun to get some use out of it. And oh, it shows you how to make some things. That's so funny. I believe this is air dry clay, if I'm not mistaken. So you have to let it dry rather than bake it. So, yeah. It doesn't say if it needs to dry. Oh, yes, it does. Air dry. It can be air dry and elastic. It should be stored in a seal bag. We provide... Oh, you can bake it. Okay. Baking in the home oven below 140 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes can easily harden. Ooh, I'm going to make... I hate when I have to do conversions. So that is the clay, a part of all of this. Then let's talk about the other supplies I picked up. This was a pack. It has cutters, clay cutters, which basically just look like razor blades. There's a small one and a large one. You got a palette for a rolling and then a roller. And then these are the molds. So I picked up this one. So there's pretty little flowers, and I thought that would be so fun. And these are just silicone molds. can get these off Etsy, you can get these off Amazon, you can get these off AliExpress if you weren't in a hurry. But there's some roses, it looks like maybe some dahlias, and I don't know, but I'm excited to play with those. And then I picked up this pack. So we got a pineapple, we've got a watermelon, we've got cupcakes I thought would be fun. We've got candies and ice cream, which I also thought would be fun. But this is the whole reason I picked up this. I'll try to insert a picture of it, but isn't that so? It's like 2 popsicle sticks, but they're like themed for Valentine's Day, and I thought that would be so flippin' cute. I'm also excited about these little candies. So we'll see how it goes. I've never played with clay like this before, and I'm gonna share with you all of my experiences about it so we can learn together. But yeah, I thought it would be fun to try a new craft, and we will see how let's try this piece. This is an ugly color, so I mean, maybe you guys like it, but I'm not a fan of this mustardy yellow. Maybe I'd like it. So you can use this over and over again if you don't bake it, supposedly. So let's try it out with this little mode. This is probably way too much, but we're gonna give it a try. So you just push it in. I'm not gonna bother with cutting it or anything because I just want to see how stinking fun is that gonna be. And then you can just do it again. Let's take like half of it and try the flowers. It's probably still too much. It's so weird that it's like so it feels almost like silly putty. So you push it in, and then you would use that cutter, cut off the excess, and then you just release it. Maybe. So pretty. Oh my word, that's so pretty. Yes, this is gonna be so much fun. Let's try a little candy. I guess you would release it that way. That is so flippin' cool. Okay, yeah, I'm excited. I'm excited. I think this will be so much fun to make all kinds of things. Like these cupcakes would be perfect on a birthday card. You could probably make charm bracelet tags. They would be fun little trinkets on tags and stuff. And if you use the white and you, what's it called? And you bake it, you can paint on it. So you could really make it whatever you wanted. This is going to be so much fun. I am so stinking excited. So again, I will have everything linked in the description box down below. Again, these are not affiliate links. I may start using affiliate links for other things. I haven't quite decided yet. But we'll see. All right, friends, and that's it. I could sit here and do this all day, and I might. Who knows? I hope you enjoyed. Let me know if you've played with clay before, if there's any other crafts other than diamond painting, because I cannot, that you think I would enjoy. I mean, I would really love diamond painting, I think, but I just can't. I just have too many dexterity issues to even consider it. That's so much fun. This is going to be so much fun. I cannot wait now. Now I'm excited. All right, friends. Thank you so much for joining me today. I really do appreciate you. Let me know what you think, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.